Hello and welcome to my channel. This lovely little painting is 12 by 12 on gallery wrap. And as you will see towards the video, not quite like it didn't come out as you will see the way I'm pouring. I ended up adding some bling and didn't record. So sorry about that. I didn't quite like it was plain. So I added some bling. I love it now. Thank you for being here. Love you all. Bye. Big thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, or share. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.